here in the last second, just to recap of what we were talking about of supporting resistance. Um, we got to first look Netflix. Netflix came up. We tested the 11, hit the first target price of drop in its held support and started creating higher lows. Okay, what we're trying to look at this morning, what you're trying to look at right now, it has established 1, 2, 3 market pre-market highs. We need to see if it's going to hold support on this market and continue to hold this support and continue to rise up and continue to rise. Okay, it may retest it, and or it already hit this from this top here. We already got I use my Fibonacci. I'm trying to do this quick, get this uploaded before the market start. Okay. All right, this is what I do is okay. I'm trying to see if it's going to continue. If it keeps going this is what we wanted to see it happen. Is it going to start? Is it going to create a higher high off this pre-market 1, 2, 3 and hold a market high and then continue to go up and break the 1145 and hit the price target of 1162, or is it going to here retest? It can range in between here. Okay, just look at this arrow, 640, 620, 640 up. But look, wait to see if it's going to break through the support. Let's look at the next one. Wait, Domino's Pizza was our other one. And Domino's Pizza came in, held support. Now we want to see if it's going to hold support on this market open and continue up and retest these major support levels, okay? Oracle. We have Oracle holding it hit its price target. Now we're trying to see if it's going to hit its hit this price target and create a new high. Okay. Go back on the videos and look. I'm just trying to get a quick look. I didn't we did Tesla and Visa. Tesla. Same thing. Trying to see if it's going to resist this pre-market and go down and retest. Here, these support levels are 275, 271, 266, and then 250. It may not do this all in the whole day. It might do it in the next week, or it may hit the 298 today. Okay. So we're looking at maybe first hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, hold support and go up, hold support, go up, hold support, go up. That's what we want to look at. That's what you want to wait for. When it bounces down here, you buy in between here, just and you sell it when it hits a support. Let's see, let's look at Visa. Uh, Visa was another one. Um, again, came off support 40. Let's see, did I do it? 10:30, 2:30. Okay, let's bring it up. This is what I. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Where's my? Rate target 252, 260. So it came down and held support. Okay. It met support and now it's going up. Is it going to hit the 252 or is it going to, or is 350 going to be the high and then it drops down and retest these support levels? 344, 3, 343, 341. These are all where it can change direction on or go continue in this downtrend. Let's see what's our next one. Let's see, we did Visa, Tesla, Spine, Oracle, Netflix, Domino's Pizza. We did all that. Booking. Did we do that? Booking. See if it's going to resist this. Is this going to be the triple top? And it comes down and retest and see if 488 is going to be its target, or is it going to stay in here in range, or is it going to create a new high and continue? Okay. So it's showing it needs to hold support on this and blast through support on here to start creating higher highs. Other than that, booking, which is going to be cheaper because it's a Friday expiration. You wait to see if it's going to resist these major support and then go down and retest 49.29, 49.53. We want to see, is it going to retest this this aftermarket and the pre-market highs? Okay, I'm hoping that you're seeing it. I'm just trying to show some footage, but maybe going too fast. But I just did a recap on everything that I did. Go back on my other videos and look at it. Okay. We're just putting this there. Okay. Because it may range in between this. This might be all it may do today, but trying to buy puts off of this support and calls off of this support or this support. and it goes up. See this right here, support and resistance. Come here. Let me open it up. Probably makes sense. Okay, I do the boxes so you guys can see it. Okay, we have there, come here, can and go up or range in between, or here, go down and hold this support, which is probably a $5 move. Okay, or it makes this bigger move here as it did. Just give you guys an idea of what you're looking at. Okay, do something else really quick. Okay, that could be one of the moves right there. Oops, what you? And this can be another move. Okay, I just want to give you an idea on what what can come up on support and resistance. This could be the move that it can make, but it may just do this. Okay, I'm gonna close this out. I just did an update. Let me see if I can get this posted before it did. That's Visa, Tesla, Oracle, Netflix, Domino's Pizza. I think I just included BKNG. Um, I'm curious about Bitcoin. 98, 520 to 99 if it holds the support. If not, it's going to come back down to 96,000 here, 96,000, 96.5 or 97. But it must break through this triple top. And like I said, and it retests 98, retest 98. Okay, go back and look at that.